More pitching.
He gets him with an elevated fastball.
And it's true with the comfort with the catcher.
3-1. Smashed to left center field. Bellinger turns and watches that one go. Garrett Hampson with a home decisions.
The way the ball is flying this year, when you miss your spot compared to hitting your spot, you do not have a very big range for making that mistake.
Shot to first and through Beatty. Ryu to Desmond with a 3-2, and it's golf to right. Jock Peterson drifting back. They put it away, 2 out. Arenado draws the throw and retreat. That's in there for strike 3. McMahon is the final out of the first, but the Rockies strike first. Slicing liner to center field that sends Hampson in the move.
Workload. And so not everything you see me do to manage the game has specifically to do with winning in that moment.
Star break and the recent injury. That's hit to third. Arenado goes to second, 1. McMahon to first, a double play.
It's been so much fun to see all these fans coming in through the turnstiles, guys, as that one goes to Jock Peterson for the first.
Sam Hilliard grounds one gently to first. Beatty, who committed an error in the first inning, makes clean play.
Scherzer just alone, but then the year that Strasburg's having could be a very interesting series.
7-pitch inning for Hyun-Jin Ryu.
Works the matchup pitchers out of the bullpen.
Chopper up the middle. Story waiting behind the bag to throw Bell. On a 1-2, Seager swings and misses as it falls off of the table for Senzatella. Down the line, and a fair ball to extend the hitting streak. Kicked around by Desmond. It allows Pollock to cruise into second with a 2-out double. And so the hitting streak is 9.
It was a big situation too. It was interesting to say this guy can hit falling out of bed. He does.
With an opportunity to tie it. It's a bouncer off Senzatella. No throw. Infield single. Put him at the corner. That one sails. And the bases are loaded. Senzatella was not going to give him anything too juicy with the pitcher on deck. Oh, but guess who that pitcher is? It is Babe Ryu. Loaded 2 gone and a 2-2. Bounce back to Senzatella. And he squashes the drama.
Just switch about. I'm good.
Strikeout of Senzatella to open the third from Ryu. And Story swings and misses. He's gotten them both times with the elevated fastball. Well, here's Hampson, whose home run is the difference in this game. And the first pitch that he sees promptly hits it to Lux. Good internal clock to get him at first. And a 1
on top.
And they're the most comfortable. Peterson loses the bat. Look out. Over in the camera. 2 out. 1-2. Chopper to short. Story with a running throw to get him. Dodger record for any game. Arenado goes after the first pitch here and serves it through the shift for a leadoff hit against Ryu. He's been on both. Could be 2, 6, 4, 3. A 2-2 pitch, a breaking ball, and McMahon knows it. Stood there like. Caught it second by McMahon. Seager shoots it up the middle, base hit center field. Extending his hitting streak to 8. Back to the fastball. Pollock goes the other way. Another base hit. First and second with 1 gone. Thinning again. Beatty with a slicing fly ball. And in left field, Ian Desmond. Setting the target down and away, and a curveball is swung on and miss for strike 3 to end the inning. Sends it as we start the 5th inning. And Fuentes, it's a tapper to short. Seager's got it. And 1 quick out.
There is no exact formula.
That's a base hit to center field for Sam Hilliard. 2-2 pitch again. Butera hits it on the ground to second. Lux, Seager, Beatty, double play. No. Lame solo shot. Come on, Hyun-Jin. Setting him up.
Ryu
Setting
wearing
him up.
Yeah, wearing number 99, going for the 100th victory of the year.
High fly ball to center field and deep. Back goes Hampson at the wall. It's happened! It's happened! Babe Ryu! Breathtaking.
He pitched opening day. They hit 8 home runs. He's pitching the last home game of the year, and he hits a home run.
Peterson earns the walk. A 1-1 game for sure. Lux muscling one that'll sink in for a base hit. And they have the go-ahead running scoring position with nobody out. Though he may only get one shot. 1-1 in the fifth, 2 on, nobody out. The hitter is Turner. Sends it, Tella delivers, and Turner digs it out, serves it to left. Desmond will play it on a bounce. It kicks by him, and the bases are loaded as Peterson gets unraveled quickly on him here in the fifth. Pitch count already to 91. They go back into the bullpen. Bellinger hammers the ball right center field. Grand slam! Seager hits a fly ball to shallow right field. Hilliard back at first, now on to catch it, and finally hit hard. Picked the wrong guy though. 2 out as Arenado throws. 2 out walk. On a 2-1. Dribbled in front of the plate, and Butera will throw him out. Vallejo with the chopper to short. Corey Seager. And personally, I think the best way to look at it is
one of the key components.
Down the line, and a fair ball for Story. He's got a 1-out double.
Center fielder here.
Good looking change. 2 out. Arenado goes out, gets an outside pitch, rolls it weakly to Seager. That's that for the 6.
Pick up by Nolan. Well done. Great breaking ball. So Johnson strikes out. And the Dodgers say, "Now come up here." Center field, pretty well hit, playable out there for Garrett Hampson. Had Dave Roberts, that's a base hit for Desi. Had Dave lines up his rotation in the alerted all his guys. They're going to get Kelly back. There's a bunt from McMahon. McMahon is bunting for a hit, like where they may stand, but they always know. This is a comebacker, and now hung up is Desmond. And the Dodgers execute the rundown. Sam has opened eyes here in the last couple of weeks of the season. The September call-up after a really good year at Albuquerque. This is lifted deep right field. Did he catch another? Yes, he did. two-run home run, Sam Hilliard. Here come the Rockies. It is 5-3. 6 September home runs for Hilliard.
And he's getting
2 strikes on Butera, and he goes down. But the Rockies close to within 2 to go. Ground ball to Nolan. Throw hop and zips it to his Strasburg. Corbin added to the mix, and the future Hall of Famer Max Scherzer. Number 2 may be debatable. I think it very well could be the Dodgers. They're going to get a run back here. Seager has hit this ball the same spot Sam Hilliard just hit on. 6-3. Seager's 18th of the year.
That's a 3-2 count for Seager.
3-2 on Pollock. And that is strike 3. Pollock's gone. End of inning.
On a 3-1, Daza takes ball 4 and a leadoff walk. Mays' first pitch hits him up high. But with a fastball, a chopper to short takes Seager to the bag, and he guns the first to Duff. He struck him out, getting him to chase the cutter. Beatty flies it to left center field. There's Desmond with a call on the catch. Eighth pitch coming to Will Smith. And the Dodger catcher lifts it to left and deep. Back goes Desmond. That ball's gone. How good does that feel for Will Smith? The ninth inning. Here's Taylor topping a ground ball to third. Charging Arenado, has it and throws to get him for out number. It used to be, as Peterson takes the walk, bunting was part of the welcome. Base hit left field. Because of course he did. 4 home runs for the Dodgers. Stopped at first and a bounce by Fuentes. Takes a chopper that'll beat the shift. Nice catch by Kike Hernandez on a bullet off the. Runner takes off. That's a strike. And Tapia into second. 47,948 today. So the final attendance total, 3 million. Getting to feel the roar of that crowd. A fly ball into the bright sunshine. Would it be Bellinger or Peterson, beg your pardon, or Hernandez? It is. Payoff pitch. Base hit down the line. Hilliard with an RBI double, and it's 7-4. Tapia comes in to score. The 0-2. That's it. The Dodgers get win number 100 of the 2000.